forward 2 years from now, pilots are done. You're implementing some type of capability using the lessons learned out of these pilots. What can we expect 2 years from now? What's a chief technology officer at the Department of Homeland Security going to be doing 2 years from now?
Oh man, my goodness. So I'm trying to break this down into something that's, there's an elephant there in what you just said. So I'm trying to break that down. So what we're going to see in the next 2 years in the department as the chief technology officer is two areas. One is I think we are, while I am so darn proud of these pilots we're doing in the work with Gen AI, I do think the government in itself is in a slow down to speed up phase around AI. With the executive orders, with the OMB memo, it's really a call for, hey, let's take a break. Let's figure out what we've implemented. Let's understand why we've implemented it. Let's measure it. Let's test it, et cetera. And so over the next 2 years, from an AI perspective, I think what you're really going to see in the department is a commitment to the safe, transparent, and responsible use of AI when it comes to being able to notify the public on sort of as much as we can, be transparent around it, revalidate testing, acceptance criteria, performance testing, et cetera. It's going to be huge, and that's actually going to lead to us being able to rapidly create AI in the future. On the second side of things is sort of like, when it comes to the customer experience, honestly, that was a missing piece for us, right? We had Agile, we had DevOps, we had cloud. It's been huge for almost a decade. Adding CX created that software factor. It was that last piece of the puzzle that the department needed to create a holistic program around sort of how do we have a software system that rapidly delivers capabilities to the customers. So with the creation of our customer experience directorate over in OCIO, you're going to start seeing a rapid pace in which we are looking at customer experience, which is going to lead to the things that Katja was talking about and Doug was talking about around consolidating that experience, about providing that single point of entry, that single, looking at the intersection of biometrics and identity and portals and access and interfaces is really going to explode over the next 2 years as we start rationalizing what does it mean to be part of the Department of Homeland Security and realizing that there is a journey that almost everyone takes at the department, every citizen takes, that involve multiple components or agencies and bureaus of DHS. And I think that's going to be so exciting.